This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. It is Saturday and we are seeing here that the cryptos are down. Let's call it anywhere from 10% to 5%. And we take a look at Bitcoin, it is down currently down about 4%. Now, let me offer up a reason why this could be the case. And it can be seen if we take a look at the weekly chart. So here is the current 2-year weekly chart. So 2 years of data. And we can draw a line just like I drew in the previous analysis video. Somewhere around there is where we are seeing a little bit of a struggle as far as Bitcoin is concerned. It was higher in the week, but now reversing, showing that it is giving some respect to this area. Keep in mind also that RSI is around that 61.8 threshold. So this area is meaningful in terms of where the RSI is trading. So the reversal is not a big surprise. Now, let me take a look at a longer view and we're going to see a better point of view. Now, the market can be a very tricky place, but if you understand what to look for, some things become a little bit clearer. Now, what I'm going to do is draw a line from the lows of the RSI from early 2015, and I'm going to extend the line as such. And you can see that this line connects the lows again from 2015 and connects with these lows here from early 2018. We get a break of the line here, which is this period. Uniform activity above the line, back below it, which is this reversal area here. Rejection on the line here, which is this period. We have a breakout above the line, which is here for this swing trade entry area. In fact, you can even say it was here. It turns into support for the lows here. We end up breaking below it, which is this area, and now we are showing uniform activity back below the red line. So what needs to be done here by the bulls, if the market is to move the cryptos higher, they need to move above this red line. Otherwise, the more we continue seeing resistance on this area, the more this is where we are going to start seeing a reversal of some size, probably to even test recent lows, maybe. But a reversal nonetheless if we cannot move above that red line. Now, that's one point of view. There is a second point of view, and I'll leave these lines right there to show you that this is confirmation from a different vantage point. Take a look at this break point here, and this corresponds with the RSI break based on the lows line, connecting the lows there and this low right there. We break below that level, which is here, and this is in January of 2018. Now we take that information, draw what I call the uniformity line. This is my own researched method, and there you have it. So the blue line is right there, and again we see that it gave us a nice entry with a breakout above the line for a swing trade higher. We break below the line here for this period, resistance on the blue line, which is, let me see, this period here actually. And then now it looks like as long as Bitcoin is down for the week, which is what it's doing, about down 2%, it is showing that it is respecting that area. Keep in mind that area conveniently also happens to be around that RSI 61.8 level. So there you have it, two lines purely based on my own original concepts, and they make a lot of sense, don't they? So if the cryptos are to move higher, they need to clear those two lines to the upside. Otherwise, as I stated, continued resistance here means that the next meaningful swing trade is lower. This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESCS.